Welcome to an exploration of one of the world's most incredible engineering feats, the Panama Canal.
Wanderlust Ventures.
The story of the Panama Canal begins in the late 19th century, with the French attempting to carve a passage through the dense jungles of Central America. But challenges like disease and engineering obstacles forced them to abandon the project. Enter the United States, who took over the construction, and after years of hard work and determination, the Panama Canal was finally completed and opened to the world on August 15, 1914. So, what makes the Panama Canal so extraordinary? It's a system of locks and channels that raise and lower ships as they traverse from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific, or vice versa. Imagine massive ships being raised and lowered within the locks using the ingenious combination of gravity and water flow. This ingenious engineering reduces the need for the long and treacherous voyage around South America. Today, the Panama Canal remains a vital global trade route, accommodating a diverse array of vessels, from cargo ships carrying goods to luxurious cruise liners transporting travelers. In 1999, control of this marvel was handed over to Panama, marking a historic shift as the Panama Canal Authority now oversees its operation, maintenance, and expansion. Speaking of expansion, efforts have been made to accommodate even larger vessels through the Panama Canal with the construction of new locks. And so, the legacy of the Panama Canal lives on, a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and the power of engineering to transform our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on more captivating journeys of discovery. Until next time, this is Wanderlust Ventures, signing off.